Okay.
Yeah. You ready? I'm gonna adjust you on TV. You ready with that?
Yeah. We like that.
There, stay right there, champ. Oh, did you hear that? That was awesome. All right, we'll sit you up. Good job, champ.
Good job, Dominic.
Can you play now?
Yes, you can go play now.
See ya. See you later.
Bye.
Go play. I just got that. We're gonna get a little crying, you know.
Got her?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
This is her first time.
First adjustment.
Okay, so she needed it after the labor.
And then you're gonna hold it right here with the little feeties. Oh, oh my God. Are you just the cutest little button in the world, or what? Hello.
So friendly.
You don't want anything. Thought maybe. Very good. Face me here. Flat. That is the after-delivery healthy chiropractic adjustment right there, Mom. Good job, by the way.
Thank you.
Say goodbye to the camera.